Hey Kean Cougar! You submitted your FAFSA and all the required documentation, and now you're ready to view and accept your financial aid offer. You can do this online at www.kean.edu. Once you're there, go to Quick Links and choose KeanWise. KeanWise uses the same login credentials as your kean.edu email address and password that are found on your decision letter. Enter your username and password and then click Submit. Here, you'll find the Student menu. Under the Financial Aid menu, click on the link for Financial Aid Self-Service. Select Award Year. Before viewing your financial aid package, it is important to review your college financing plan. To do this, click on Financial Aid, and then click on College Financing Plan. This will show you a breakdown of the cost of attendance for the year at Kean. Once you've reviewed this information, click on Financial Aid and go to My Awards. Here, you can view the details of all grants, scholarships, and loans being offered to you. Grants and scholarships are automatically applied towards your tuition. Direct loans have to be accepted or declined. If you choose to accept any student loans, make sure that all the items on the loan requirement checklist are completed. You have now finalized the financial aid process for this semester. If you need further assistance with financial aid, please contact the Office of Financial Aid at 908-737-0400, via email at finaid@kean.edu, or visit us in the Administration Building, first floor.